2:30 on a Friday afternoon. I've just finished work. I'm hoping to put a little video together to give an insight on how I have to go looking for pigeons on a weekend, including an hour and a half's drive now. Me and my little teardrop trailer, my little pod. Try and find some pigeons, try and shoot them all over a weekend. Not much time really to do it, but yeah, this is why I have to do it, so you can understand why I don't get too many videos up and why there's not massive numbers, because I find it hard to find pigeons. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Well, I've just seen one of the weirdest things I've ever seen. Anybody, any idea what it is? 2 police cars, an unmarked vehicle then with a big metal thing on back that says police cordon, followed by another police car. No idea. Well, that's it, an hour and a half's drive done, just about to get to the campsite. Called off at one at Fields that's got rape in it. Must be about 60-70 birds on it. Few coming in while I've just been watching it, so yeah, that's probably an opportunity for tomorrow. I'm going to still have a look around this afternoon though, on ones round where I'm stopping. See how we get on. Oh, well, that's it. I'm all set up. Got my little teardrop set up. My new Iron Man decals with a nice windbreak. Weather's turned a bit rubbish at the minute. Supposed to pick up tomorrow though. Little gazebo that's pop up. Air fryer. That's cheating, I know, but little orb. I have got gas just in case, depending on where else I go. My little kitchen, my little cupboard, fridge, store box, diesel heater in case I needed it. I'll go around to the inside pod. Spider-Man on this side. Inside pod. Telly up in corner. I've got electric because I'm on hookup. I mean electric heaters because I am on hookup. Can run this. I've got a Bluetti that'll run it for a week and no problem. Eating, yeah, everything telly. Cooking. I'll prefer to barbecue and cook on a fire, but yeah, love it. Right, time to go look for some pigeons. Well, just had a pint with a landowner. Asked him if he wants to come in out shooting tomorrow, if I find out. I think I've got an option or two. Yeah, back in my little pod now. My little tabletop fire pit going. Fish and chips for supper. I'm gonna try cooking it in Dutch oven. Whether that works or not, I don't know. If not, got air fryer and hob, so we'll do it that way. Had a look for pigeons earlier. Not round this area, but like I say, I've got a couple of options. Couple mile drive from here, and on Lads Land who I've just had a drink with. Hopefully take them out. Well, hopefully find some, then take them out. Yeah, will be good. Oh, fish keeps falling out. Wedge that with some chips. Right. First time trying to do this in a Dutch oven. I'm not used to cooking in Dutch oven. We'll get half hour, see how it comes out. Don't know what that looks like to you. But yeah, we'll have a go. Gonna be honest, that we're gonna take too long cooking in that, so it is in air fryer. So I apologise, not camp cooking, but can't get curry sauce to thicken up. It don't look bad after all. Good morning everybody. Best lay, nice sleep. Best lay I've had in about a month. Been up working every weekend so far. Yeah, second cup of coffee bring me round. Pans on go, warming up for a nice bacon sarnie, but we'll have that and go out and see if we can find some pigeons to shoot. Hopefully they're still at Welbeck. Just watching the line from campsite going up to some drillings. I'll have a look at that, see whether it's worth a go. But yeah, catch you later. about 30 just got up as I've got here. And a pheasant. Yeah, so I thought I'll give it a go for the morning. I've got another option, there's some on that and all. That was we shot other week with Johnny at Most Eaton Field. Still some on there. Gonna give this one a go. See how we get on. I've always got tomorrow morning to shoot if I need to. Weather looks good. Yeah, I got just a rotary going round and my hide tucked in that tree. Yeah, see how we get on. Yes, it was 3 o'clock, so I thought I'd get on it early. See if we've got a few deer coming in early, but no. Well, that didn't go to plan. Birds were here, quiet start, then they got a nice flush coming, nice couple of flushes coming, bag 6, and then it just stopped and no idea, no birds in the area, well not that I can see anyway, so don't know, no idea what's happened. Gonna call it a field on my way back to camp. See if I can find Lee's match and yeah, no, never mind, pigeon shooting. Oh, back at camp, just chilling. Dinner's on go, belly pork, cooking on the fire, smoking away first off, and then I'll drop it down a bit closer and let it get to it. A few hours yet. Time for a beer. Yeah, pigeon day went crap, but never mind. Morning everybody. Sunday morning, glorious morning. Just had an hour out looking for some pigeons, not really seen out, but since it's nice, decided to extend and stay while Monday now. Book day off. Gonna have some breakfast that's cooking in a minute. I'm gonna go round this afternoon and have a look round. I think I went out too early yesterday, so I had a bit of a bad day. Yeah, see how we get on today. Hello everybody, out on the great field again. Hopefully I had better luck than I did yesterday. I think that was my fault, rushed it a bit, got out a bit early, hoping to get back for Lee's match in time, and they just never came back, ended up with 6. Yeah, so today I'm on the same field as what me and Johnny shot 2 weeks ago, that really badly eaten rate field. I don't know if you can tell, but look at the state of that, it's really bad. I've got a dozen decoys out, half shells, a dozen silver socks, got magnet, and I've got my hide tucked away there in edge. Well, birds, there's a flight line coming off at top because there's a drillings right up other end. Hopefully I'll get pull some of them in that are going to them drillings. Majority of birds are coming from over that edge. Yeah, just my luck. Nice and overcast, sun's set up, sun's out. Well, another failure, never mind. Good evening. It's a bad day shooting again. Sat around camp, my little fire pit going. Got Dutch oven warming up, ready for pizza to go in, and I've got hash browns with sriracha sauce. Hash browns with sriracha sauce on. They're cooking away. Just about to put pizza in. Wish me luck. Please fit. Well, time for reveal pizza. See whether it needs to go in air fryer to brown up a bit. I reckon it will do. Oh, it looks nice. Base is alright, not burnt. That'll be edible, but I am going to put it in air fryer.